Okay guys, we're at Florentina Homes Hotel right now. And it's a nice place. They have a restaurant. There's a restaurant right there. Vlogging. I'll go upstairs.
You should put the little thing here that you can like here.
No, it's okay. Because I get confused with those things.
No, it's confusing. If you lift it up, you're looking at yourself. If you bring it down, you're looking.
I'll go upstairs. Don't forget your stuff. Maybe I'll get down upstairs. I'll be back home. We just ate dinner. They were good. So this is the right there, Florentina Homes. I'm going upstairs. Pwede ka pangayo tubig para sa kape, ha? 22.
Isa lang na ano ma'am? Isa lang na tasa?
Ambot kay ang sa inyong drinking water man ang
Hindi, I mean, pila ka tasa ni mo pangayoon na?
duha.
23 na? 22?
22.
Okay, patad lang na.
Ha?
Ipahatad lang.
Sige, thank you. So our room is room 22. So we are here. So this is the room, standard room. You can also order food from the restaurant. It has like a, I don't know, it's a queen size bed. It's a cabinet here to put your clothes. And we are facing the road. And there's a tiny TV. At least it's not hunchback TV. It's flat, little flat TV. And this is the bathroom. A little mirror right there. Toilet and shower. The window's open. This is the shower. It has a water heater, shampoo and baldy, of course the tabo. There's one Sia, one chair. That's it guys, this is the room that we got. Tiny room, but we only stay here for one night and then we're going to stay tuned, we're going to Cubs Beach Resort. There we'll stay there more than a week. Coming here to Dumaguete, the trip was nice. It's not tiring at all. Well, I'm not the one driving, but my husband said that he's not tired at all. So okay guys, see you. This is the Florentina Homes, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and they have split easy there. Bye.